Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to use Uber Eats credits. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Uber Eats and log into your Uber Eats account. And once you've logged in, so if you have some Uber Eats credits on your account and you're going to use that, so what you can do, you can simply use that on your next purchase or order on Uber Eats. So all you have to do is simply go to your preferred restaurant and add an item to your cart so that you get to the checkout page. So for example here, so I'm going to just go to my orders and then proceed to my checkout. So when you get to your checkout option here, so scroll down where you see your payment option here. So click on the payment option way, and then when you get to this payment option, if you want to use your Uber Eats credit, simply select your Uber Cash option. So turn this Uber balance on, and then select the, since mine I don't have any cash, it's zero, but you should see your credits whatever here. So click on that Uber Cash and select it as the preferred payment method, and then complete your ordering. So in that way you'll be able to use your credits for this purchase or order. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.